Hi, welcome back everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Dou Yin account in 2026, and this method should work for 2026 or 2027 or beyond that. I'm probably the one of the YouTuber that has teach people how to create a Dou Yin account over the last few years. From the last video was 2025. I think this method does not work anymore. So today I'll teach you a method to create a Dou Yin account in 2026, and this one will be a verified Dou Yin account. So let's see what we are going to achieve today. We are going to open a verified Chinese Dou Yin account. As you know that Chinese Dou Yin is equivalent to a TikTok, but this is a Chinese version of the TikTok. So how to create a Dou Yin account in 2026 and verify it. Once you verify it, it belongs to you. It used to be only, the verified account used to be only for China people, but now they have opened up. So which country is supported? Not all the country is supported, so we need to have a try and error. And we will be using our own passport. Depending on which country, like I mentioned, not all countries is supported. So verification is done within a few minutes to a few hours. First, they will need to scan your passport, and then they'll do a facial recognition. And if your passport photo matches your facial recognition, it should be within a few minutes. Otherwise, if it take a few hours, that means it go through a manual process. So okay, let's take note of the important part is do not use a VPN because Dou Yin can track if you're using a VPN. Use your mobile phone IP address or your home IP address. That is the best. And only in your country, and use your local phone number. So if you're in Singapore, use a Singapore IP address, not a Singapore VPN, Singapore IP address. Your home Wi-Fi IP address is fine. Your local number, your ISP, your mobile number, IP address is fine, and use the local number. If you are in Singapore, don't register this account with a Singapore passport but a US number. No, we don't do that. So use your own number. Okay, even if you have used a number before and not successful, you can do it now. But you need to verify it. So Dou Yin is giving you a chance, but you need to verify it. And the last thing is, if you're in overseas now, let's say you're in Malaysia or in Thailand, you're stationed there for a period of time, do not try this method. It will fail because the IP address don't matches the country. If you're in Thailand now and you try to do it because you're using a Singapore passport, you need to have a Singapore IP and Singapore phone number. If you're using a Malaysia passport, you need to be in Malaysia, that you're using a Malaysia IP and Malaysia phone number. So do not try to outsmart the system. It will get you banned only. And after a few days, scroll a few video, like a few video, do your usual stuff. And after a few more days, add an email address and add a password to your Dou Yin account. But don't do it on the day that you created the account. So only do it after a few days of this account being created. But for the first few days, you just scroll normally, as in watching your TikTok or what. Like the video, because once you have a verified account, you can actually like. If you want, you can do 1 or 2 comment, but you don't spam the comment, because the first week to a month is the most important to Dou Yin, to see how you use the account. So do it slowly. You can even post a video, but don't do it on the first week. Like I mentioned, a brand new account, do it very slowly. So with that, let's get started, and I'm going to show you this screen here. Okay, so with that, I'm going to start to register my Dou Yin account. This I'll be using my phone number. When you see this, let's just click agree. And after you scroll a few, they will ask you for the location. So we need to allow it to allow using our location. Can scroll a few more. So basically, how to download the Dou Yin account, I have shown you in my video on how to create a Dou Yin account, how to download a Dou Yin account, how to download the Dou Yin app. Okay. So if I try to click on the light now, I can't because they'll tell me to register. So right now I'm going to register a Dou Yin account right now. Okay. So let me look for my country code, and you need to scroll down to look for your country code. And this one I'm going to use my real phone number, and click on this agree button over here, and then click to get the OTP. You need to match this captcha, and then you'll receive the OTP. So after that, they'll tell you that, okay, I'm going to click on this one here, and then this one is basically start to verify your account. And then all the permission we have to give it to Dou Yin. And then over here, this one is male and female. I do a facial recognition. And then I'm going to click on whatever your age is. Be real with this because you're going to use a passport to verify it. Then after that, you're going to click to go into the Dou Yin account. Okay, somehow I have go in, but I did not verify it did not ask me for a verification. So I'm pretty surprised. And if I were to go to here and go to this one is under setting. Basically, I've created a Dou Yin account without any verification. But some of you might not be able to do that. Okay, under here, so I've tied up this particular phone number with this, and then this is human verification. This is not done, but I have already created the account. So I might not need to do this part. If you're okay with just liking and commenting, you can even use Alipay to fund yourself with some gift to give to the influencer that you like if you want. Okay, this one is the password, the Dou Yin password. Like I mentioned, do not set it up today. After a few days, then you can try to set it up. And this one is the verification. So for now, I'm going to verify my account because to verify it, then you'll be stronger in future. So, okay, let me go back. This is basically telling you the country and what is the ID. So country, I'm going to change it to Singapore, and then ID, I'm going to be using passport. And then I'm going to click here. And for this part over here, if you click on it, they'll ask you to take a picture and then I think I do a facial recognition earlier on. So for this, I'll be taking a picture of my passport. So they'll tell you, okay, you must show this part over here and make sure it is clear. Do it once. After you verify all the detail, just click the red button over here. Okay, they'll ask me to take a photo of myself again. Make sure you are looking straight to the camera. And after that, just click on this red to confirm. And they'll tell you whether it is successfully verified or not. Okay, over here, now you can see it's done in less than 1 minute as long as your photograph is clear, and this portion over here, if you translate it to English, is have you verified it? Yes, I verified it. So now I have a totally verified Dou Yin account using my own passport. With that, it is much stronger. This is going to be much stronger than if you are not verified. The Dou Yin account that is verified is going to be much stronger, especially when you change handphone. Because when you change a handphone, sometimes the OTP or the password will pop up to ask you to verify. So this is the proper way to create a Dou Yin account in 2026. But the first time I created it, I'm quite surprised that it didn't ask me for any verification. Because from what I know, in 2026, you need to use a passport to create a Dou Yin account, which is good. Because in that way, you have a verified Chinese Dou Yin account that is much stronger in the future. With that, I thank you, and I hope to hear from your comment which country is supported. From what I know is Singapore passport is supported, Malaysia, Vietnam, and Philippines is supported. So any other country, I'm not too sure. I hope to get your feedback in the comment section. Do let me know if you have successfully created your verified Dou Yin account. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.